Alright, we're working on changing the fuel filter on this vehicle. I haven't done this before, but got all the seats pulled out already. Pull this grommet off. Undo this little connector here. We'll pull that out. Alright, we gotta pry off this cover. Rubber ring, hopefully that'll seal up. Again, I do have extra in case I need to put it on there. Alright, let's clean this off a bit. I'm going to take these bolts off. I popped off the electrical wire, popped off this, two blue tabs. It comes off the snap there. My tank's almost empty. I've been driving it down, getting rid of a bunch of the gas before I do this project, so I am on very empty. Alright, I'll take these bolts off. Pull the little clamp, seat grip clamp all the way around the corner until it comes off the end of that, and then yeah, the panel clip puller worked nicely just to push the hose off. I've loosened up most of these bolts already. Alright, got the old fuel filter off. Looks fairly clean in there. I couldn't get this hose off, so I bent it out of the way. Got the old one out. Alright, so I got the new filter. It didn't come with a new gasket, so I pulled the old gasket of the other one to put on here. Move this one over here. I got it back in, figured it out. There's just some spring pressure here. So we'll snap that back on. these back on. We'll start getting these bolts back into place. Put these clamps back. Spray a bit of this on there. Get a little protective coating since this one's not painted like the other one. I did get extra butyl tape in case I needed to reseal it, but it seems like it's going to be all right. Okay. Back, put that back in, and then I'm going to let this air out a little bit since there was some spilled gas before I put the seats back in and test it. But that should be the fuel pump and fuel filter changed out. Been long enough. I don't know if it was ever done before. Probably not. It looks a genuine part there. And I believe it's supposed to be done every 60,000 miles. Alright. See you on the next video.